Have you ever wondered why some people make massive progress in a short time, while others feel stuck even though they're working hard? It's not always about talent or luck, or even discipline. The real secret? Where your focus goes, energy flows. Right now, your energy is flowing somewhere. But the question is it helping you or draining you? Let's talk about it. Most people aren't lazy, they're just distracted. They start a task, check their phone, open a book, end up scrolling Instagram, set a goal, then worry about everything else. Your energy is like water. When it's scattered, it's a puddle. But when it's focused, it becomes a laser. A laser can cut through steel. A puddle just makes your socks wet. Which one are you? Imagine this. You want to improve your English, so you think about it. You watch a few videos. You plan to speak daily. But then, you don't actually practice because your focus is split between 10 things: Netflix, notifications, overthinking, doubt. And where your focus goes, that's where your life moves. If you focus on fear, you feel fear. If you focus on progress, you create progress. Let's fix this. Here's how to redirect your focus and let your energy work for you. Checkmark 1. Choose one goal at a time. Don't chase 5 things. Choose one that truly matters. 2. Cut the noise. Turn off notifications. Clean your space. Silence the world so you can hear yourself think. Set a focus hour daily. 1 hour. No distractions, no excuses. Just deep, focused work. That hour will do more for your growth than 10 hours of multitasking. 4. Visualize daily. Every morning, close your eyes and imagine your goal already achieved. Feel it, see it, act like it's done. Because your brain will start moving toward whatever you focus on. Ask yourself throughout the day, is what I'm doing right now aligned with my goal? If yes, keep going. If no, stop and refocus. This one question can transform your day. You don't need more energy. You already have it. What you need is focus. Because where your focus goes, energy flows. So the next time you feel tired, stuck, or overwhelmed, don't ask, why am I not moving forward? Ask, where's my focus right now?